So once you've installed the Final Cut, you can just come all the way to your gallery over here or the Launchpad, and you can see it over here, Final Cut Pro. So you just click on it and you'll be welcomed with this very screen. So this is a complete blank screen where you have the different features, which I will explain in very brief. For example, here you have the library panel. Okay, this is where you create your library, and the events as well as the projects all are housed over here. Okay, and then this is where you have the media bin. Okay, whatever you import, you find it over here. And then over here, you are going to see this is the preview panel. Okay, where you will see the preview of all the video you are editing, all the footage you are editing. You will be able to preview and play over here with it. And then the next one here is the effects and controls of all the features you are editing. You will be able to find the effects and control on most of the properties that you can edit accordingly as you proceed with your video editing. And down here, all we have here is the timeline. This is where you bring in the media and then play around with it with the playhead, and I'll show all this in detail as we move on. So next is we have these photos and videos. You'll be able to showcase the photos, videos, and the music that you have over here, or you can check out the title as well as the generators over here. So there are a bunch of them. There are titles, 3D, 360, and credits, elements, lower thirds. You'll be able to see most of them, and as you hover over any of them, you'll be able to see the preview over here. Okay, so these are titles and these are generators. Later I will show you in details how to use all this.